Welcome, everyone, to a journey that diverges from the beaten path of success rituals. Today, we're not just thinking outside the box, we're dismantling it entirely to explore a groundbreaking approach that has propelled individuals from the realms of aspiration to the heights of unprecedented achievement. This is about the power of the anti-routine, a method that flips conventional wisdom on its head to unlock productivity and success beyond measure. Imagine stripping away the excess, focusing on what truly matters and making every action count. That's the essence of what we're diving into today. Be sure to hit subscribe and let's break down the 6 unconventional methods of doing less to achieve greatness and financial freedom. Number 1, busting the myth of more. Imagine thinking that the secret sauce to success is jam-packing your day with activities. It's like trying to fit 30 hours into a 24-hour day. But here's the twist. Success isn't about adding more to your plate. It's about scraping off the unnecessary. Think of your time as a garden. It's not about planting more. It's about weeding out the distractions to let the important stuff flourish. Number 2, saying no is your superpower. Ever noticed how easy it is to get bogged down by saying yes to everything? It's like agreeing to bake a cake for every birthday party in town. Soon, you're the go-to baker, but your own projects are left half-baked. The game changer? Learning to say no. It's about recognizing that you can't attend every party and still have time to bake your masterpiece. Prioritize what's truly important and give it your all. Number 3, the anti-routine revelation. Think of the anti-routine as your personal decluttering strategy. It's like looking at your jam-packed closet full of clothes you never wear and deciding it's time for a clear-out. You sift through, keep what you love and wear, and donate the rest. Now apply that to your daily tasks. Keep the actions that directly contribute to your goals and discard the rest. Voila, you've just made room for success. Number 4, change your mind, change your tactics. Imagine you're on a boat heading towards Treasure Island, but you're also trying to visit every other island along the way. You'll likely run out of resources before you reach your treasure. The mindset shift? Set your compass straight for your treasure. This might mean changing your phone number to avoid distractions, or deciding which events truly deserve your presence. Focus on what gets you to your treasure, not on sightseeing. Number 5, crafting your unique anti-routine. Here's how you tailor your anti-routine. Start your workday at a time when you're at your peak energy, let's say 7 a.m., and work through to 2 p.m. with 0 interruptions. It's like deciding to run your marathon on a clear path, no hurdles. You could also decide weekends are no different from weekdays, ensuring your rhythm and momentum aren't broken. These choices carve out dedicated time for what truly moves the needle for you. Number 6, seeing the results. Firsthand, adopting this anti-routine doesn't just change how you work, it transforms your outcomes. It's like switching from random gardening efforts to becoming a master gardener who knows exactly when to plant, water, and harvest. By honing in on what matters and eliminating distractions, you're not just busy. You're effectively reaching your milestones and reaping the rewards of your focused efforts. In wrapping up, it's clear that the path to extraordinary success isn't paved with more tasks, more commitments, or more of the same routine. It's sculpted from the art of strategic subtraction, from saying no to the non-essential, so you can say yes to your most impactful work. By embracing the anti-routine, you're not just doing different things, you're doing things differently. This approach isn't about working harder but smarter, prioritizing what truly moves the needle in your life and career. Remember, every no to distraction is a yes to your goals, dreams, and the life you aim to create. So, challenge the status quo, craft your anti-routine, and watch as the doors to success swing wide open for you. Thank you for joining this journey, and here's to redefining success on your own terms.